What is goody, everyone? I hope you all can hear me. Well, I'm outside. I probably could take this off right now. Here at the airport inside Nassau. But just wanted to touch on something very important, right? And this is for everyone. I just recently did a video while I was in Exuma on how to make $3,000 per week from one simple concept, right? A lot of people don't want to be an entrepreneur. Some people want to fucking work a job. Nothing wrong with that. So I want to show you how to get any job you apply for.
Check this.
Even if you don't have BJCs, BGCSEs, whatever the case may be, right? And the reason I can say this is because I tested it by applying for 8 different kind of jobs. Now, in total, I applied for 13 jobs. I got declined from about 3. And the reason why I got declined for 3 because these were just some higher position jobs. Just wanted to see if it would allow me to get this as well. But it required some form of degree. And it's okay. Probably if I told them what I did or whatever the case may be, it would have worked, right? But so I want you to pay close attention to what I'm saying, right? This will carry you to the next level, right? And some of the concepts I'm going to share with you in this video, probably when I land in Freeport, I'm going to add on to this video. I'm going to show you how to search it up and how to do certain things, right? But this will probably take you a month in total to get right, because certain things you're going to have to practice and prepare for yourself, all right? So, the first thing you're going to need to do is practice proper communication. You need to learn how to speak properly. You also need to learn how to tell a story. Don't just come in there, that's dry, all right? So you need to learn how to tell a story for when the interview process starts. Most jobs do an interview, right? So you want to be able to tell a story in the interview. Every interview I ever had, I only had like about 3 real jobs in my lifetime. The last one was sandals, right? And the position I got, it was good. I made a shitload of money. It depends what you call a shitload of money too, but I made more money than I expected as an 18-year-old that dropped out of high school. But the only reason I got that job was because of the story I told to the manager that interviewed me. And she was a Jamaican. So, you know, Sandals, I think, is a Jamaican company owned, and they're strict as fuck. And like, you see, strict too. But just because of the story I told, got her attention. Is my lip white? So you need to practice telling stories. And this is going to help you in the long run as well, even bending conversations with certain individuals, right? So the first thing is practicing proper communication. How can you do it? YouTube it. YouTube University. Probably going to have a text pop up. Ta-da, YouTube University, right? The next thing is you're going to need to learn how to tell stories. Once you get that, each job you're applying for, what you want to do is write down a little about it. Just write down a little about it, right? And what you're going to do as well is make an attractive resume. Some people tell you, oh, businesses don't look at that. Just type it out on Word, do that. No. If you can make an attractive resume that tells a lot about your character, your presence, you took time to do this. And on that resume, you want to be dedicated to that business, right? To that business you want to dedicate it to. The next thing is you want to have a professional email. You need a professional email. A professional email, it could be like, if my name is Sandy Robertson, let's say Sandy Robertson is taken. You're going to put Robertson Sandy Bahamas. You might say it's not professional, but it is. We're in the Bahamas, right? So the next thing, what you want to do, any business owner that's watching this right now is going to agree with what I'm saying when I go through every single thing. The next thing what you're going to do, this is a cheat code. Now, a lot of businesses probably won't pay attention to this, but this shows, I'm just putting up my, I'm outside.
Got rich on Forex, got rich on Forex, got rich on Forex, got rich on Forex. Look at the ice, look at the cars, Look at a jet, baby. Look at a jet, baby. Let's take a jet, baby. Let's take a jet, baby. Go to the stars. Look at the stars, baby. Look at the stars, baby. Look at my car, look at my car, look at my car, baby. Look at my car, baby. Got rich off foreign racks, I made $1 million. Got rich off foreign racks, I made $1 billion. Got rich off foreign racks, I made $1 trillion. Got rich off foreign racks, so tax trillion. I'm getting so much money, Miss Lee, cause you ain't gon' get it. I'm tripping around like a demon. I'm flossing around like I'm Nemus. I'm fucking around like a demon. Put 6'6" up in her. I'm a 6'6" in her.
Is you want to go on Allison.com. You get certified. Yes, you get a certificate as well. And what they do is they teach you the basic foundations of whatever the topic is. You could search it up right now. Stop this video, look at Allison.com, bookmark that. Bookmark it and just do a bunch of courses. Let's say you want to apply to sandals as well. I recommend you, if you just come out of school, don't know what the fuck to do, need some money, go to sandals. Apply to sandals as a position. Sandals, someone from Sandals probably is going to watch this video, and if they see using some of his methods, they're going to be like, all right, Hughes, draw that shit. But so watch this, right? Most hotels, from the concept I'm teaching you, you're going to instantly get hired from what I'm teaching, right? So you want to go on Allison.com, do some of the certifications: customer service, marketing, hotel management, project management, IT. You just want to get a basic certification. Every single one of those stuff. It should take you honestly about a week if you're serious about this, just to complete each one, or maybe a day. I did 15 different certifications in 2 days, to be honest, and it's basically because fucking easy, right? But it's basically because I just wanted to hurry up and knock it out to show you all that, all right, it can be done. So once you have those stuff, just to get the actual certificate printed out, it probably costs us about $5, right? But think about it. Is saving $5 really worth it when you could spend? Oh man, it's raining. I have to go inside now. But is spending $5 is worth getting a job, right? Now, you don't want to stay at this job all your life, honestly, but you need to start off somewhere. So now, once you go on Allison.com, what you want to do is you complete the certifications, and you can do as much as you want. Honestly, the more you do, the better. And after you complete it, what they're going to ask you to do is print out the certificate, right? So what you just do, you don't have to pay for it right away. You just mention all the different stuff you're certified in. And if the business asks you to show proof of it, then that's when you pay for it, right? And you send it to them when they ask you proof of it. And this is going to make you seem so fucking credible. I'm telling you, because most businesses in the Bahamas are not even going to look to see how accredited is Allison.com, because a lot of people do online school. So that's just some free game, right? And the next thing what you want to do is you don't have to do all this, honestly. You don't have to, but I would recommend you do this. You want to go on social media and you want to ask who is hiring, right? You post up who is hiring inside X, Y, and Z area, and you look online. And when you get these stuff, you send out your resumes to these persons. You just send it out. And in your email, when you're sending it, you put a brief about it. You started off like, I'm so happy and excited to actually be able to even have this opportunity to send my resume in to this fantastic company. I was admiring, and you just mentioned something about it, I was admiring the fact that it was created in 1972, or let's say just made this year. It started in 2021, and that is a big jump, honestly, to even start a business during these hard times. And I think I'll be a valuable asset to help increase the business productivity and producing more money, right? And you just want to get better at saying these things, because what it's now going to do is help you, and they're going to look at you. Wow, this person is really serious, right? Now, how to stay at a job, you know what to do. You know, just follow the rules, blah, blah, blah. It's super important, right? But, yeah, so what you want to do is apply for these jobs. And I'm going to give you 4 different job types right now that will definitely hire you from using these techniques. Definitely hospitality stuff, tourism. You got restaurants as well. 2 restaurants were the one that I applied for, but it was as a waiter. And the next one was, I can't remember the next position. It was But I got accepted the fucking, I think it was 8 or 10. I have to go check. 9. It was 9 to be exact. Yes, I got a call. They tried to call me this morning, but of course, you know, I just did it for the sake of this video. And I'm not going to say which businesses it was because I want you to put in the work to do this, right? So remember, step 1, you got to practice proper communication. You got to know how to communicate effectively. You know, yeah, think fast, right? Got to learn how to tell a story. When you're being interviewed, you want to tell a story, and not a boring, long-winded story. I just really need this job because I'm poor. No, don't sound hungry. Don't sound desperate. You want to sound hungry but not desperate, right? So you want to practice telling stories. You can watch how to pass the interview on YouTube. Honestly, that's a totally different topic from this whole video. The third thing is you want to get certified on Allison.com. Do as much certifications as possible. And the fourth thing is you want to make an attractive resume. You could use Canva.com to make a resume, make it look nice. Now, don't make some kind of childish thing, right? Make it look professional and tidy, right? And the fifth thing is you want to network and find out more positions more different jobs that are available for you to actually be able to do. So that basically covers this whole video on how to get any job you want in the Bahamas. I'm telling you, this is effective. I did not go into detail with each step, but now that you know what to do your research to find out how to do these things, right? I guarantee you, once you put those stuff in, you're gonna excel. You're going to excel and get any job you want. But that covers this video for today. Just a little airport rant. Just wanted to touch up on that. But yeah, see you guys later.
Check this.